This is Venkat Goli, Managing Director of Mango Motors Private Limited. 2016 September onwards is when we started using TCS iON, the manufacturing solution. Coming to where we migrated from, we did migrate from Tally since we were not having a cohesive and concurrent clarity on the finance running of the business, I would say, not finance in particular, but running of the entire business. With respect to the kind of modules we have implemented everything in complete manufacturing, finance, accounting, HR, and CRM, which is yet on the way for continuous improvement. But yes, we have implemented the whole host of solutions. I would say the entire organization, so there's nothing in particular I can say that these are the number of users. But basically, it brought in the transparency and the workflow-enabled formula of working. So one person's input is output is other person's input. With regards to customers getting benefited, yes, we are B2C. So I wouldn't say that in terms of a direct benefit to the customers, but in our operations, we have a complete clarity. Yes, as far as customers are concerned, I can add one point is there are no duplicate entries with respect to any customer, because every customer has their unique customer ID, or we call it, it flows through the CRM as far as a new vehicle sales goes. As far as my service business goes, since we use our parallel system of dealer management system, which is provided by the manufacturer, we have various ways in which we integrate the data into iON for the rest of our activities like GST calculations, finalization of GST returns, filing the same, etc. Yes, in deploying TCS iON solution, yes, it did help our bottom line in terms of streamlining the activity and optimizing the manpower. And so, yes, I do see the benefit. Did see the benefit in the last 5 years, I would say. We are pretty satisfied with the overall experience what we have with iON as of date. Thank you.